But going across to West Bengal, where large-scale defections on the Trinamool may actually have backfired for the BJP before assembly elections in Bengal. And BJP leader Mukul Roy, who was, of course, formerly in the Trinamool, has now added to the party's nervousness by skipping a key meeting of the BJP today amid speculation that he is now contemplating a Ghar Wapsi to the Trinamool Congress.
The BJP Shubhendu Adhikari in Delhi to meet the Prime Minister as the party counters moves for a Ghar Wapsi. Several TMC turncoats want to return to the TMC after the BJP's recent loss in the West Bengal election. The biggest name amongst them is Mukul Roy, who skipped a key meeting of the BJP in Kolkata yesterday. BJP State President Dilip Ghosh said he couldn't attend on account of his wife's illness. Sources close to Mukul Roy say he's miffed after being overlooked by the party for the leader of the opposition post, which went to Shubhendu Adhikari. In fact, TMC General Secretary and the Chief Minister's nephew Abhishek Banerjee met Mukul Roy on 3rd June at the hospital where his wife is admitted. The next day, the Prime Minister also called Roy. Another leader who left the TMC soon after Mukul Roy blamed the BJP's strategy for the loss in Bengal.
Honorable our Prime Minister, Honorable our Home Minister, Amit Shah ji and JP Nadda Sahib. They cannot be the CM of West Bengal, everybody knows. So state CM has to be a face in Bengal where Mamata Banerjee is a established face.
Rajiv Banerjee, former TMC minister who switched sides before the election, also hit out at the BJP for opposing Mamata with the threat of president's rule after she won, in his words, a huge victory with public support.
যাদের মেরুদণ্ড নেই তারা চিন্তা ভাবনা করবে তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের কাছে গিয়ে আবার কুকুরের মতো থাকতে। আমি এটাকে পছন্দ করি না। আমার মনে হয় বাংলার মানুষ এইবার তার জবাব দিয়ে দিয়েছে। কোনো দলবদলুকে বাংলার মানুষ সাপোর্ট করেনি।
किसी को देरी से समझ आता है, किसी को जल्दी समझ आता है और आम इंसान के भलाई के लिए ममता बनर्जी काम कर रहे हैं। ये वो आगे भी जानते थे, अभी भी जान रहे हैं, मगर बीच में महसूस करना बंद कर दिए थे।
Soumitra Khan and Arjun Singh, also imports from the Trinamool, are in the national capital for a meeting with BJP President JP Nadda. Shubhendu Adhikari, one of the most high-profile imports who was appointed leader of opposition in Bengal, has ruffled feathers too by getting the job and old-timers in the party being ignored.
मैं गृह मंत्री से लेकर नड्डा जी से लेकर रेस्पेक्टेड प्राइम मिनिस्टर तक ये हालत का बारे में मेरा जो बोलने का मौका था मैं बोला। ऑल इंडिया बीजेपी बंगाल की कार्यकर्ता का साथ ये अत्याचार बंद करने के लिए जो 42 हमारा वर्कर्स का निधन हुआ, मर्डर हुआ, उसके ऊपर उसका साथ विचार देने के लिए हम लोग कमिटेड है।
শুভেন্দুকে নিলেই সরকার পাল্টি করা যায় না, তাই এখন যারা তার নেতা বা যারা এখন তার বস তারা যাতে রেগে না যায় সেই জন্য বারবার গিয়ে তাদের স্যাটিসফাই করার চেষ্টা করে।
Mamata Banerjee's hat-trick and her emphatic win against the BJP in West Bengal means that the BJP will have to sit in opposition in the state for the next 5 years. Those who joined the BJP thinking it was coming to power are now looking for other options, including returning to the Trinamool. And this thought of Ghar Wapsi has become a challenge for the BJP in West Bengal. In Kolkata with camera person GD Shankar, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.